Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Infiniti G35 door. First, ensure your vehicle is unlocked. You can use your key fob by pressing the unlock button, typically once for the driver's door or twice for all doors. If using a physical key, insert it into the driver's side door lock cylinder and turn it clockwise about 1/4 of a turn. This action will disengage the locking mechanism, preparing the door for opening. Once unlocked, proceed to open the door from the outside. Firmly grasp the exterior door handle, which is typically located flush with the door panel. Apply a steady, outward pull. You should feel a slight resistance as the latch disengages. Continue pulling the handle until the door swings open, allowing you to enter the vehicle. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the handle mechanism. To open the Infiniti G35 door from the inside, locate the interior door handle. This handle is usually positioned conveniently on the door panel, near the armrest. Pull the handle towards you with a smooth, consistent motion. The door will unlatch and swing open. For rear doors, always check that the child safety locks are not engaged, as these prevent the door from opening from the inside for passenger safety. Sometimes, a door might feel stiff or sticky. If this happens, consider applying a silicone-based lubricant to the door, latch mechanism, and hinges. Also, visually inspect the door frame and hinges for any obstructions that might be preventing smooth operation. Regularly checking the weather stripping for damage can also ensure proper sealing and ease of opening. Proper maintenance helps keep your G35 doors functioning perfectly for many years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.